Let's begin with PPE. The welding helmet helps keep your eyes and face safe from UV rays and flying debris. Your gloves are also very important. They keep your hands safe from the heat and getting cuts. Gloves also allow you to handle warm metals. Safety glasses, very important. They keep your eyes nice and safe from flying debris. Make sure they're certified with the number C87. Coveralls keep your clothes clean and your skin safe from sparks. Sleeves are optional. To many, they would be recommended if you have short sleeves on. Make sure to always have closed-toe shoes, so this means no sandals. Boots are a good option, but any shoe like Vans will do. Now let's get into tools. The chipping hammer is very important. It helps clean the slack off of your weld. The wire brush helps prepare your weld and cleans off the leftover residue and dust. Pliers, very important, allow you to handle hot metals without physically holding them. Now important equipment. Electrodes are super important and used to conduct currents through a workpiece to fuse two pieces together. The type of electrodes is vast, but in the shop we use 70-18 or 60-10. The electrode holder, also very important, is what holds your electrode and allows you to weld. Stingers, not used commonly, but are a more enhanced version of electrode holders. In this next picture, you can see one holding an electrode a lot more firm. The reason why a stinger might be used over an electrode holder is because the electrode tends to move or fall out, as shown. The working clamp allows the flow of electricity through the welder to the electrode through your weld, then into the working clamp. Without it, you basically can't weld. Now the welder. This is your energy source. It connects everything together and allows you to weld. And now a live representation of everything.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about PPE. So we'll start off with safety glasses. This is like the most essential part. Keep your eyes safe. And then we'll move down to the coveralls. This covers your clothes, keeps you nice and safe. And since he only has short sleeves, he can wear chaps that cover his arms. And then gloves to handle hot metals and keep your hands safe. Then when you're welding, this is like also very important. This keeps your eyes safe from like UV rays, flash burns. Now we'll get into the tools. We have the chipping hammer. This is used to take off the slack from the weld. This is to clean off the residue.
Now we're going to turn on the welder. We turn it on from the back, like that, and then you wait for like a little bit. And then it says on right here, and output, whatever. Now you know it's on, and then you move it right here to 95, to 90 to 100, whatever you want. That's how I prefer 90, but that's how you turn on the 70-10. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to put the electrode holder and the welder worker clamp over here. Take it from here, you can just pretty much drop it.
You have to put the worker clamp right here. Make sure it's good. Just put the electrode holder right here.
Before you weld, you gotta grab your brush and weld the Xbox. You gotta brush it like this.
Props up real good, lights up right on the corner so he doesn't leave any arc strikes visible around the weld area. Sets that machine at about 120 to 125 amps, good and hot for a 70-18 1/8. That way he can hold a good tight arc without the rod sticking. Tries to keep that puddle uniform the whole way and just drags it along nice and even. Got the heat set right.
The most commonly used technique is basically just you dragging the electrode across your weld at a constant rate. The weave technique is mainly used when welding upwards, and how to do it is you weld side to side going upwards, as shown in the video. You can also use this technique welding to the right or to the left. Here's the finished product. The whip technique is commonly used with 6010, and like the drag, you bring the electrode a bit back after a while as shown in the video. This is why they call it the whip technique. Here's a finished product. There is much more techniques, and here are more specific techniques that branch off the drag, whip, and weave technique.
Get your pliers.
Now you can see Victor here taking off all the slack from his weld, and right now you'll see him take out his wire brush to brush off all the debris and the dust.
Alright, now that you've seen how to turn it on, now we're going to turn it off. So first you're going to click the on button. Then you're going to reach back here, and you're going to flip the switch, and you're just going to click that. Alright, now you've seen how to set it up, now we're going to take it up. So first you take the electrode holder, just drop it, take the working clamp, drop it, take the extra wires, start wrapping it into a circle.
So now we're gonna put the X block away. Make sure you carry it with the pliers all the way to where it's supposed to belong. We're gonna put it in the water first, just because it's hot. Alright, now that it's not so hot anymore, we're gonna put it where it belongs. Now we gotta make sure to clean up our working area. Make sure you have a dustpan and a broom. We're gonna throw it away in the trash.